Ah, snap. Black History Month. Ah, snap. Black History Month. Ah, snap. Black History Month. What is up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. You already know what today's video is about. It is the end of Black History Month, and I wanted to end this month out with telling you guys some Black-owned businesses that I know of, and I'm so excited for you guys to get into these Black, excellent, beautiful people in this book. So stay tuned for that. Let's get it on and popping. Before I forget, there are a few honorary mentions that will be listed at the end who I did not talk about here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Miss Red Kisses 22, I've been posting a few Black-owned businesses there. First on this list, we have Savage by Fenty, which is from Rihanna. We all know who Rihanna is. So I decided to put Rihanna on this list because I just bought a 4-piece set from her Savage line. With her website, she has it where you take a quiz so they can actually figure out what type of girl you are, so that way they can promote certain types of lingerie. She created this lingerie line because she wanted people to express themselves and be whoever they wanted to be. If they wanted to be the sexy girl, the flirty girl, the chill girl, the I don't do too much girl, there's all varieties of clothing and shapes and sizes. So she has a membership, a VIP membership, basically, which is you get the products for a discounted price. So if you decide to become a VIP member, you just have to make sure you're paying attention to if you want to buy something from the website for that month that you're in, because if you do not press skip on the month that you don't want to buy anything in, your card would be charged and it will be held on the website for the next time you decide to make a purchase. So you have to make sure between the 1st and the 5th of the month, you press skip if you do not plan on purchasing anything, because your card will be charged and it will hold on to your money. You won't lose your money. It'll just be in your account. Now you can cancel at any time if you want to, so it's up to you, and it's no penalty if you do cancel. Next on the list is Fairies Beauty Bar. For Fairies Beauty Bar, I went to the one in Rosedale, Queens. Overall, I enjoyed how my nails look. This is it. The price point for these were $85. I personally did not want to pay that price for this because, I knew ahead of time how much I was going to pay for it because I looked it up. But the only reason why I went, because I was like, I want to try a Black-owned nail salon, and I have a lot of trouble with finding a nail salon that I like. So I do like this nail salon. I just don't like the price point. It might be the normal price for nails. I don't always go to get my nails done that often. I usually use the press-ons for the most part. But for something simple like this, I don't want to pay $85. I would rather pay, like, I don't know, how much is it? $40, $30 for it. So that's just what I feel. The lady asked me what I wanted, and she couldn't do 2 of the things I wanted. So I decided to go with a third option, which she was able to do. And it came out great. I kind of let her do her own things. As she was doing my nails, she wanted to cut it. And I was like shorter. She was like, girl. And then she was like, it'll be short when I file it down. And I'm like, okay, well, do what you do. So yeah, this is how it came out. I enjoyed it. The lady wasn't super personable, but when you go to nail salons, they aren't always personable. So next up is Mika English. Mika English, I'm not really going to talk about so much because I have a whole video of me getting my hair done from her salon in another video. Of course, I'll link below. Oh, one thing I do want to mention is she does have 2 products that usually grows people's hair in a short amount of time. If you look on her page, you'll see results from that. It's called Groove Shampoo. So if you want to look into something to grow your hair, go check that out because she sells that. Yes Daddy Cosmetics. It is created by, her name is J Khalid on Instagram. but she's really cool. She sent me some highlighters to try out for my shows. and I fell in love with it. I have it on now. I didn't put so much on now, but I have it on now. So yeah, so she has a cosmetic line. She sells highlighters, lashes, eyeliners, all of those goodies. So she sent me the highlighters to try out, and she told me the highlighter that I have that will match his skin tone the best would be called Fetch. And I tried Fetch. I loved it. I also tried her Rich Girl out, and I like that too. Also, I ordered some eyeliners from her because she was gracious enough to send me personally some glitter eyeliners that she wanted me to try out because she know I liked glitter eyeliners. So I tried that out, fell in love with it, and I bought some more. There was like a little issue with my order, and she quickly handled it and was able to send me over a new eyeliner, and boom. Great customer service. She's a great person, and you should definitely go and check her business out. Moving on to the next beautiful Black-owned business, we have my brother, Cejae. He has an auto detailing shop called Venom Auto Detailing. He does hand washing, interior cleaning, engine bay cleaning, high shine wash, wax, and tire shine. He has a mobile service, which means if you need him, you call him and he'll come to you. Of course, that would be an extra price. Is Poetic Justice by Mona Marie. She's been a pole artist for over 10 years now. She's worked with people like Madonna and Snoop Dogg, and she has done different fashion shows, and she does bachelorette parties and things like that. But she also has her own pole studio in the Bronx. It has a variety of pole classes, as well as it has chair classes, conditioning classes, floor work classes, and her prices are pretty affordable. We have David Brown. David Brown is the creator of David Gorge & Co. So his business is personal branding, consulting, and creative direction for digital content, websites, and media kits. He also, in his Creators Club, he also has a platform where he interviews different entertainers and artists to share a bit about their story, their struggle, and their business, to shed light on their businesses and what they do. So I think that's a great thing to have and to go check out. So go check that out. He is an amazing person. And David Brown, if you do watch this, you're an inspiration. Keep doing what you're doing, and always love, always love. So moving on from there, we have Tiff Mcfierce. Now, Tiff Mcfierce is not only the first female, she is the first Black person. So she is the first Black female to be the DJ for Madison Square Garden. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? Also, in addition to that, she is an RE role model who has her own little section of a billboard in Times Square. Amazing. So she also does many things. One of the things is she is an advocate for wellness. She has a brand called Look In. So Look In is a blend of self-care, empowerment, education, and exploration with wellness, mental health, and fitness professionals. I'm going to leave an interview of hers below where you can really get into how she is, because she is an amazing person and she's just always willing to help people. Like she said in her interview, she wants to open up doors for people, and she basically wants to leave them open for people to come in behind and benefit from what she opens the door for. So Tiff Mcfierce, that is amazing. Thank you for doing that, and thank you for being one of those people who are able to be humble enough to say, hey, I'm gonna leave this door open for people to come in, because not everybody always does that. So let's go, let's get it. Moving on, next we have Juvias Place. She creates eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna butcher your name, I'm so sorry. Chi Baru. Her name is Chi. Let's go with that. And she started her business with $20,000 in 2015. So if you got $20,000 sitting in your account, you don't know what to do with it, start a business, okay? Her goal was to make palettes for dark skins because she felt that it wasn't enough makeup with the right colors for our skin tone. So she created her line, and she offers 40 foundation shades, and most of her products are vegan free. I wear her products all the time. That's my only palette I have at the moment. So I'm usually wearing that. Oh, right now, I forgot to say I have on Fenty, Rihanna's line, her eyeliner, her color eyeliner mixed with Yes Daddy Cosmetics glitter eyeliner, the blue glitter eyeliner. So that's what I have on. Next on the black owned business list, Chef Brittney Stikxz Williams. She is a young chef who is around the age of between 25 and 30. She is born in New York City. She has a Jamaican background, and her cooking is influenced from her Jamaican background. She has a Caribbean influenced cuisine. She does private parties, caterings, wedding events, things like that. So if you want to go and check her out, go check her out. She also has, I'm not too sure what it is, but she does have a full course meal and you can go and eat there. So go check that out. As I re-edit this video, I recently seen that Brittney is going to be featured on the Food Network for her recipes for Jamaican cuisine, as well as she is going to be shedding light on what Caribbean food is, showing that it's not just jerk chicken and oxtails. So next on the list we have Ivan Entertainment. Sorry, that's I Entertainment by Ivan. And he's also another friend of mine. He has a creative and consultant agency where you can hire him to do photography, film, media, fashion shows. He has done stuff for Elle Magazine, W Magazine, Gloire Magazine. He's done stuff for burlesque companies, and he's also styled a shoot that I've done when I was in LA. He created it, he styled it, he directed it. He is amazing with his vision, so go check him out. Binkie and Ashlee, we're gonna put this duo together because they are similar but yet both different. So they both have many hats. They design, create, and style clothes for big names such as Cardi B, Nipsey Hussle, Khalid. They also style for many artists, dancers. So let's go with Binkie first. Binkie, she was a former dancer who danced with everybody in the book. One person I definitely want to mention is Aaliyah, rest in peace. Wow, that's amazing. She's been dancing for years. She was also in a group called Electric Red. She made music, and she's an amazing, dope person that I constantly talk to today. Next, we have Ashlee. She owns a few businesses. She owns Be Iconic, Happily Ever Muhammad with her husband, and also the stylist creator for. She just teamed up with Take Care of Harlem and MZ Wallace to benefit schools in Harlem. She designed a beautiful bag that will help the arts for kids in Harlem. So not all, I think some of the proceeds will go to helping out schools in Harlem. Our last person on the list is the youngest person on this list. He is 6 years old and his name is Zion Xavier, or Zion Xavier. He is a 6-year-old entrepreneur who has created a t-shirt that says "Reading is Lit." He created and designed his own t-shirt and his logo because he loves to read, and he feels like people should definitely read because it is fundamental. I want to thank everyone on this list for being black, being excellent, and not only having a dream, but having a dream and creating the reality of it. Everybody on this list was amazing. Right now, I'm going to list a few black-owned businesses that I didn't mention in this video, but you'll see them here. So shout out to y'all too. Keep doing your thing. You are amazing. And next year, come February, we will have a new set of black-owned businesses to list. Maybe you could be on it next year. I know I'll be on it, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Facebook, and subscribe to my Instagram, where you can keep updated with me and all that I have going on. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these black-owned businesses. Later.